You guys see the box. We have one of the most hyped and anticipated Air Jordan 1s of 2021, the entire year. This is going to be a contender for sneaker of the year. I'm going to call it right now. This sneaker is going to be a problem, a very hard sneaker to cop come release date. These are a very fire Air Jordan 1. Make sure you guys stick around. We're going to unbox this Air Jordan 1. We're going to take a look at all the details, and then we're going to talk about the release. I'm going to tell you guys the honest truth about the release of this Air Jordan 1. Make sure you guys stick around, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into this video. Let's get straight into this. We're going to unbox this Air Jordan 1, take a look at the details, and then I'm going to tell you guys about the release, how this release is going to play out. This is not going to be something a lot of you guys are going to want to hear, but I'm just here to tell you guys the truth about the release of this upcoming Air Jordan 1 that does release on March 6th. Retail is $170 on men's and $130 on grade school. They will sell out. There'll be tons of hype, tons of demand. Resell, it's gonna be 2.0. That's all I'll say. I'll tell you guys a little bit more what I'm talking about in a few when we talk about the release. So let's open up this box, man. I'm hyped for this one. So I did pick up a personal pair, size 11. Picked them up nice and early, a little bit early. And I did pick them up, here we go, from Keep 'em Laced over on Instagram. So make sure you guys give him a follow. That's where I picked up this pair from. Shout out to you, bro. Let's open these up. Let's take a look. I have not seen them yet. I'm so excited for this sneaker. If you guys are excited for this sneaker to release, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up right now. Hitting that thumbs up really does help the YouTube algorithm. Oh my God. Wow. Yo. More family. These are going to be a problem. I'm going to tell you guys more about the release in a few. Stick around. But man, oh man, what a Jordan 1. What a sneaker release this is going to be. Yikes. These are going to be a problem as the camera almost falls. These are definitely going to be a problem. Woo! Wow, these are fire. These are straight fire. Absolutely crazy. The Jordan 1 University Blue. Guys, gonna be a problem. I'm going to break down the shoe a little bit, show you guys the shoe a little bit more in details right now, and then we'll get into the release. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up right now. Wow, these are dope. Take a look at the quality of materials. Wow. The leather on the back. Suede, the nice UNC blue suede. The University Blue is so nice. Very, very nice in that suede or Durbuck, Nubuck material. It's very nice nonetheless, whatever material it is. Very soft to the touch. Take a look at the leather quality. Wow, the white leather, the black leather. Look at the swoosh. Look at that. Wow, guys. Take a look at the other side. Very soft materials. Let me take out the shoe tree and let's take a look at this toe box. Yeah, the toe box is very soft as well. Wow, they did a very nice job with the shorter one, to say the least. Quality is nice. And when I said before that this is going to be a version 2, a 2.0, what I was talking about is the release. So let's talk about the release of these, man. Gonna be a problem. Wow, these are gonna be a problem. Holy crap, these are gonna be a problem. Why do I say that? I think it's gonna be kind of the Mocha 1 all over again. I can totally see that. There's a few reasons why I do say that. Let's start off why with the Mochas. Why were the Mochas so tough to get, right, on release? There's a few reasons. First of all, the colorway, the hype, Travis Scott related because of the brown. I understand that, right? We totally understand that, right? With the Travis Scott hype. trust me where I'm going with this. Watch where I'm going with this. Travis Scott won hype, right? With the mochas. You can't deny it. It's obvious that's where they took the inspiration from. These were very hard to get when they dropped on release. They've done nothing but increased in price, right? Mochas were very hard to get. A lot of stores didn't get shipments or got them very late. Backdoor pairs galore. Mochas were one crazy release. A lot of early pairs were selling for around what the price of this sneaker is going for now early. Same price, right around that $500 to $600 price point early for mochas. Same thing here with the University Blue. So, this right here, like I said, Travis Scott hype, very, very tough to get. I do have a pair of the Travis Scott 4s. I do want to pull them out, along with another pair of sneakers as well. And I want to compare the UNC. I mentioned the UNC, well, I should say the Mocha hype with the Travises, right? Well, let's take a look at this. I wanted to see this. I have not seen it. And I had a feeling, yeah. Is that the same color? It's damn near close if it's not the same. You know, it's very, very close if it's not the same. Travis Scott Jordan 4, and now we got the UNC, University Blue, I should say, Jordan 1. The University Blue Jordan 1. Very, very similar to the Travis Scott 4 color-wise. These are going to be very, very tough. I see it being just like the mochas with when it comes to release, resell, everything just like that. It's going to be very, 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 very tough to get. A lot of stores will have a good amount of pairs, but don't expect to cop for retail. Expect an L, guys. I'm going to tell you, I'm being honest, a lot of people will cop. A lot of people will cop, but a lot more people will take L's on this Jordan 1. I do want to take a look at some other UNC sneakers. Here we have the UNC 3, right? Another Jordan UNC sneaker that was very tough to get, right? These were pretty tough to get when they dropped. I took an L on release. I know a lot of people did. These were pretty tough on release day. They've done nothing but gone up in price, right? Very tough to get on release. Let's compare, take a look at the blues. It's a little off, I would say, on the suede. I'm trying to give you guys a good look as best. It's a little bit off on the suede, I would say, a little bit off, but it's very close. It's still close. It's still close. It's still that UNC, University Blue, North Carolina Blue Jordan sneaker. These are going to be very tough, guys. I'm going to give you guys a few tips, I guess, on how to cop. But like I said, they're going to be tough. They're going to be a lot of backdoored pairs. And a lot of crazy stuff is going to go on, like it does with every sneaker. But more so these, because everyone knows the value in this Jordan 1. And like I said, in my opinion, I think a lot of people are going to refer back to the mochas. That these two are just going to go hand in hand to the moon up in price, and that's just what's going to happen. But when it comes to release-wise, not easy. When quality-wise, I do want you guys to actually leave a comment. Which one do you like more? Mochas or the University Blues? But quality, I think the University Blue might have a better quality than the Mocha, to be honest. So I think, guys, these are going to be a very tough shoe to grab come release. Now, how to cop. They'll be at the foot stores. Make sure you enter the raffles and everything on your phone. Do all that. Finish line. You know, every retailer will have them. They're not going to be easy. Like I said, a lot of people will take W's, but there'll be a lot of L's because of the hype and demand on this Jordan 1. More so than ever. You know, as we continue to get Jordan 1s, the hype continues to build. And they get harder and harder to cop. And since, you know, these released October 31st, I believe, the end of October, you know, Jordan 1s have been even harder to cop. And this is going to be a very tough one, man. These are going to be very, very tough to get come release. I'm just being honest with you guys. Like I said, some of you will cop, but more than most of you won't. Most of you will not. Most of you will not. You know, there'll be a lot of resellers out there to cop pairs, and rightfully so, because the shoe's just beautifully done. It is what it is, man. The shoe's nice. Resell's going to be crazy. and they're phenomenal, man. They're phenomenal. They will be on the Sneakers app. We all know how the Sneakers app is. Good luck. Make sure you enter. But once again, expect an L. Expect an L. Grade school. Grade school. Good luck on grade school, man. Good luck on grade school together. That's gonna be impossible. That's gonna be very, very tough. If you have a bot, I mean, then you have a greater chance of copying. But if no bot, man, good luck on these, man. Good luck on these. Good luck online when it comes to these, especially online release. This is gonna be tough. These do come with extra laces. Here they are. So they do come with black laces on the shoe, and then here is the extra. They fell off. Yeah, they fell off. The blue laces right here. I personally think I might put white laces. I think that would look really nice on this sneaker. Let me know what you guys think about that look. Let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comments. Good luck on the release. Like I said, enter all the raffles, enter everything. But if you really truly want them, expect to pay resale, which will be roughly $350 to $400 come release day. It is what it is. If you want them, pay for them. If not, move on to the next release. We got tons of sneakers coming. Look, guys, if you don't cop these and you don't want to pay resale, can't afford it, no big deal, move on to the next release. There's always next week. Always remember, there's always next week a new sneaker. So these are fire. Must cop for me. I'll leave you guys with this. I will be making more content on them, so make sure you guys stick around if you guys want to see some more content regarding the University Blue Air Jordan 1s. Hit that thumbs up. Hitting that thumbs up really does help the channel grow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what you guys think about the University Blue Air Jordan 1. These are straight fire. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.